Oh yeah. Oh man, it's too dry. Hey everyone, in this video we're showing you how to make your rice more moist if it's too dry. This is basmati rice, so it's kind of common if you're not used to making that. So it's quite simple. All you're gonna need is a wooden spoon or fork. I recommend using the dull edge because you don't want to scratch or ruin the pot. Then simply start poking some holes into the rice. You want to make it so that it goes all the way through to the pot, the bottom of the pot, that is. Then simply start filling in some warm water into those holes, making sure that you fill it up and it's enough, but not too much either. It really depends on how much rice you made and what kind of rice cooker you use. But in this video, we're pouring a little bit more than half a cup, I would say. Then simply just recook the rice on the shortest period of time possible. I'm using a pressure cooker, so it's a little bit different from a rice cooker, but it'll get the job done. And it's as easy as that. As you can see, it's now nice and steamy, a lot more moist and not so dry. And that's pretty much it, folks. Go ahead and try this at home. Let us know what you think. And if this helped, please give it a like or a thumbs up. It always helps with the algorithm and we appreciate it. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching again. Bye-bye. Oh, and as you can see, it's nice and sticky when you smush it together. This is a good way of seeing how moist you want it. But yeah, it's not sticky rice at the same time. It's just nice and wet. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.